In this brief video, we'll discuss how you can get free information on dental hygienist schools near you. Now, some of the basic duties of a dental hygienist include removing plaque, tartar, and stains from patients' teeth, applying fluoride treatments, polishing teeth and applying sealants, educating patients about oral hygiene, taking and developing x-rays, and applying fillings and removing sutures. Now, as far as the programs that are available, there's really one that is required by most dental practices, and that is the associate degree in dental hygiene. These programs can take anywhere from 2 to as long as 3 years to complete and must be accredited by the Commission on Dental Accreditation in almost every state. Now, online programs are available from some schools. However, keep in mind that the total program will not be online because there is a clinical component to the training as well. Depending on the program, it can be completed either on campus or in an internship program with a local dentist or dental practice. Now, some of the questions to ask dental hygienist schools is, first of all, is their program accredited? As we mentioned, most must be accredited by the CDA, but it also helps ensure that the program you're enrolling in is of a good high quality. Also, is adequate and appropriate clinical training provided? Not only should you make sure that you're getting plenty of clinical training, which is that hands-on experience that you'll need, but also is it the type of training, clinical training, that will be pertinent to the type of practice that you want to work in. For example, if you desire to become a pediatric dental hygienist, make sure that you get some clinical rotation in a local dental practice that specializes in providing services to obviously children. Also, does the school have a good reputation? Check with the school to see if they can provide any kind of references from community dental practices. You can also check with the accreditation service to see if they can provide references. Although if the school is accredited, no doubt it does have a good reputation. And finally, if there are some dental practices in the area that you are planning to apply to, find out from them if they hold the program and school that you'll be attending in good esteem. What are the graduation and job placement rates? Naturally, you want to attend a program that has a high graduation rate, which is a good indication that students were happy and satisfied with the training they received. And also find out if they do have a job placement program and if most of their students are being placed in dental practices. Naturally, once you graduate, you're going to want to work as soon as possible in your new profession as a dental hygienist. It's much easier to find your first position if you have assistance from the school with some sort of a job placement program. Next, do they sponsor internship programs? As we previously mentioned, one way to satisfy your clinical training is through an internship program. It's especially important if you are specializing in a certain area, again, such as pediatric or perhaps geriatric dentistry. So find out if they do sponsor internship programs. It's a very good way to get some hands-on experience outside of the classroom. What are the average class sizes? Find out how large the classes typically are. The larger the class, the lesser the hands-on or personalized instruction that you'll receive. So try to find classes or programs that have smaller or at least average size classes rather than very large enrollments. And finally, where's the campus located? If you're commuting, of course you're going to have to make sure that you can get to classes on time, particularly during peak traffic times. Even if you are enrolled in an online course or program, you still have to satisfy that clinical component, and if it is required to be completed on campus, you're going to still have to get to that school. If the school's out of area, also if you have to relocate, naturally you're going to want to make sure that it's to an area or a state that you do want to relocate to. Finally, you can request free information on dental hygienist schools, both near you or online, right from this website. If you're not currently on our website, just scroll below this video and you will find a link to our website where you can fill out the form and request free, no obligation information right now. So what are you waiting for? Get started with your new dental hygienist career and request your free information now.